We are reorganizing our entire medicine cabinet, and I just got sent this. This is so cool. It is an organizer, and you can totally use this for your medicine cabinet. I love that it has the carry handle to it, and then each compartment just opens up, and then you can put it back on super simply. Just snaps into place. Snap it in. Same thing for the other one. Lifts up. Snaps into place. That comes apart. There's the bottom. You can see there's a lot of space in that lower one. And then line it up. And then snap it. And then everything is set. All right, I'm gonna get this filled and I will show you the after. All done. This was really easy, and this thing can fit so much. Even with it loaded up, it's heavy, but it's not that heavy that I can't hold it with one hand. And then I love how easy it is to store it, whether you're gonna put it in a cabinet and you're gonna put it in your car or under your sink. It's definitely a good size, and I love that it's portable. This is great. I probably wanna get a few of these so that I can keep one in my car, one in my house, and maybe also one in our bathroom. This is awesome. I love it, and I know you're gonna love it as well.